Alright, so what's up guys? So it's currently 7 a.m. It's actually 45 minutes past 7 a.m. That's how I said. And I want to show you guys a realistic day in a life of a day trader. No much happening. I don't want to make it too unrealistic, not at all. Anyway, so I mentioned it's very early in the morning, so I'm going to show you how my routine goes and how I honestly make money currently in some trades, and I'll show you what actually goes down. And remember to subscribe and like the video. And yep, quick one, I have my tutor, pretty interesting. Let's go. This is a small office. This is a recording room, but then also my trading room. I'll show you what I'm trying to actually organize because I have some other setup in there, but it's not yet complete. Now, first things first, I'm going to come over to the charts and see what's actually happening. And I'm actually going to show you my outlook as yet. But when it comes to my trading, well, this is what I do. So I have my trading broken down into 3 systems. So I have what am I supposed to do before I trade, okay? So I personally call that the pre-trading, okay? I need to know what's happening before coming over the charts. So that could include fundamentals. Do we have any news events coming up? And if so, how am I supposed to approach that, okay? The next step, I let's try to look at what I traded previously. Now, if I could quickly show you trade on GJ, let me see, I don't know why my network is a bit slow, but if I could show you a trade on GJ, I actually did a breakdown previously, you guys saw that. So you could see how it's looking, and that's going to give me the overall outlook for today before I even take in any other trades. And after that, god damn, my network is purely so slow. So after that, I have the in trade, right? Now at that point, I'm about to take a trade, right? What am I going to look out for? Now that could be my setups, my strategies, everything aligning with what I want. And actually, before I take a trade, I need to confirm twice or even 3 times, because you could look at a setup and say, oh, this is actually valid, this is all good. But in actual sense, maybe you made a mistake on something, so I tend to go back and do the revisions and all that. And lastly, I have the post trade. Now the post trade again takes me back to the pre-trade. Now in the post trade, now I'm looking at what exactly happened after this trade. Did I make money? Well and good. Did I blow the account, or did I take losses rather? You guys understand, and that gives me the breakdown actually for the next day. Pretty easy. Now I hope you guys notice I have a book. Now this is an essential for me as a trader, and then someone really see, it's very, I don't know if you guys can hear that. I have nature surrounding me, so it's pretty interesting. So I have a book in here. I'm writing all my plans. I don't want to talk about goals and stuff. No, same around, I'm writing in all my plans. I know this is how I'm going to talk on the day. This is what I'm going to do. If I could give an example today, I have a live session. So I already know that, okay, today I have a live session at 2 a.m. I mean at 2 p.m. and stuff. You guys understand? So pretty easy. Now let me quickly take you over to charts here, and then I'll show you how I'm looking at the charts today. Let's go. I hope you guys now have a different angle, but I'm going to try make it easier so you guys can really look at that. All right, cool. Okay, so I'll start off. So today is a Monday. Actually, I would say the first Monday of 2025, okay? And we have NFP coming up today on a Friday. So first things first, again, I have my economic calendar off here, and I'll show you. In this example, I'm using investing.com, but I would also recommend Fast Bull. It's really great. So this is it today. Thank God today we only have the news on the Russian ruby. So that's no big deal. Hopefully, I hope it's all correct. You can always do the filters off here to know the events that you want and all that kind of stuff. Category, okay, select all. And importance, yes, I need these higher ones. And let's see. Yep, we only have that. Now let me go over to the charts here, and then you guys will see. All right, cool. Now this is a trade on GJ. I actually did a breakdown yesterday for my students. I could quickly show you off here. So this is how my student community looks like. We are up to 1,000+ students in there, and you could also actually join this exclusive community. I want to show you the breakdown that I sent in yesterday. So what happens, we always have this pre-week breakdown, okay? So like yesterday being a Sunday, I'm always going to do a pre-week breakdown and send it into the group before before we can start trading. Okay, yesterday. Nope, pretty hard to find now. But what happened is I did send in GJ buys, okay, and this is how we are looking at the moment. And actually, by the time we watch this video, we still have a take profit off here, so I still strongly believe that the price is going to come over up to this point. Then let's see gold currently in a drawdown, and let me show you what I looked out for. All right, let me quickly do this with you guys. Oh, if you haven't noticed, this year is less talk, more action, okay? Stay lit, stay organized, stay working hard, okay? All right, cool. So this is gold. Now I do have all my levels drawn. We have this. So what's happening, we need to first see how the price was initially behaving. Now in actual sense, we had these highs. Okay, let me see. So initially had the price pushing to the upside, came over here, back down, respected this high again, and then boom, back to the downside. Now we also have a good level off here. Now most interesting part is we also had this price got off here, and then out of the blue we saw that push coming in, bars taking control. We form another level off here. So let's go over to the H1 and see. Dang, this is pretty huge. My stop loss is almost getting hit. It's a bit tricky. And okay, there we go. So what's happening now? We did have this. Okay, let me draw it this other way. So we did have this level here. Okay, now once I saw the price breaking out of that level, to me that holds. Actually, from the previous live session that I had, I said we expect the price to come back to this level and then push off, okay? And that's the thing that we are watching out for. Quickly on the M15, yep, this is how we are. So I still believe that gold is going to buy, okay? So I'll keep holding. If my stop loss is hit, I mean, I'll be so cooked. But still, overall outlook, I should expect buys, and I'll definitely update you guys on that. Yep. And yeah, for now I'll go have breakfast, and then after breakfast I'll go have now I'll hit the gym. Okay, I'll hit the gym, and yeah, let's go.